Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord time zone. So sometimes Discord time zone doesn't sync with the time zone of your area, of course, with your PC. So let's check first your settings. Open up your Windows menu, search for date and time settings. So once that opens up, I suggest that you turn on the set time automatically, so make sure that you're connected to internet first or to Wi-Fi, and make sure that you turn off any VPN that you are currently using. Once you're done with that, turn on this set time automatically and set time zone automatically, just like so. Turn those two. Once you're done with that, if you're using Discord browser, I suggest that you clear the cache of your browser, then restart your computer. And I suggest that you clean your computer first so that presets anything. So first open this when Windows run. So Windows R. Type in that. Then type in percentage. 10%. So once this opens up, these are all the cache files and stuff. Click on Control A, delete, continue, and click if this pops up, just click on tick box and click on skip. Once you're done with that, you should be good to go. I suggest that you restart your computer and check if it works. That's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.